Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to connect a Node.js app with MongoDB using Mongoose. First, let's create a Node.js app. Open your terminal and navigate to the directory where you want to create your project. Name it something like server. Now, change into that directory by typing cd server. Next, initialize your Node.js project by running npm init.y. This will create a package.json file for your project. Now, let's install two essential packages, Express and Mongoose. Run npm install express mongoose. Express will help us set up a simple web server, and Mongoose will help us interact with MongoDB. Once the installation is complete, let's create a file called index.js. This is where we'll write our code. Inside index.js first, import the necessary modules by typing const express =require express and const mongoose =require mongoose. Next, create an Express app by typing const app =express. This initializes our app. Now, we'll connect to our MongoDB database. If you have MongoDB Compass installed, you can get the connection string from there. Go to Compass, select your database, and copy the connection string. In the code, use mongoose.connect and paste the connection string inside the parentheses. After that, add the name of your database at the end of the connection string. For example, mongoose.connect, MongoDB, localhost, 27017, your database name. Let's start the server. Define a port for the server, like 3001, and use app.listen 3001 =console.log server is running. This will start the server and print a message when it's running. Next, we'll create a simple API to access data from our MongoDB database. To do this, define a GET route using app.get users requeries $O. Inside this route, we'll fetch users from the database and return them as a JSON response. Before we fetch the data, we need to create a model for our data using Mongoose. First, define a schema by typing const user schema =new mongoose. Schema, name, string, age number. Now, create a model based on this schema with const user =mongoose, model user schema. This links our schema to a MongoDB collection called users. Now, back inside the /users route, use user.find to retrieve all users from the database. After fetching the data, send it as a response by typing res.json users. Let's run the server now. Save the file, go back to your terminal, and run node index.js. The server should start, and you should see the message server is running. Now, open your browser and go to http://localhost 3001 users. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a list of users from your MongoDB database. That's how you can connect Node.js with MongoDB using Mongoose. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free, so click the link in the description to sign up.